Capitalist Manifesto, Money for Nothing, Gold, Silver, and Bitcoin for Free is a book by Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The book is a guide to investing in physical assets such as gold, silver, and Bitcoin, and provides readers with advice on how to protect their wealth and create financial freedom. Kiyosaki argues that traditional investments such as stocks and bonds are risky in the current economic environment and that individuals should diversify their portfolios by investing in physical assets such as gold, silver, and Bitcoin. He believes that these assets are more stable and have the potential to increase in value over time. He also provides information on how to buy and store physical assets, and how to protect them from theft and fraud. The book also covers the current state of the global economy and the potential impact of financial and economic crises on individuals and society. Kiyosaki believes that the current economic system is unsustainable and that individuals need to take steps to protect themselves and their families from potential financial disasters. He also stresses the importance of taking a holistic approach to wealth creation and considering the impact of one's financial decisions on the world. Kiyosaki also provides analysis on the history of money and how it has evolved over the centuries and how it is evolving into digital forms such as Bitcoin. He also talks about the potential of cryptocurrencies and how they can be used as a store of value, medium of exchange, and a unit of account. He also talks about the importance of understanding the technology behind it and how it works. Overall, Capitalist Manifesto is a guide to investing in physical assets such as gold, silver, and Bitcoin, and provides readers with advice on how to protect their wealth and create financial freedom. It offers practical advice and strategies for taking control of one's financial future, along with a call to action for individuals to take responsibility for their own financial well-being and to work towards creating a more sustainable future for all.